Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make your own homemade citrus ginger shots for fighting cold and flu and also to boost your immunity. So stay tuned and find out how I make this. So to make this ginger and lemon shots, I'll be making use of fresh ginger and turmeric. So I'll add them into a bowl of water, add bicarbonate soda. I'll also add vinegar. I'll allow it to soak for about 10 minutes. The reason why I'm washing this is because I don't want to peel the ginger and the turmeric skin. Please make sure that you wash the ginger and lemon properly to avoid contaminating the drink. So after about 10 minutes, I'm going to wash it again, remove it from the liquid, then rinse it with a clean water. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So I'll be cutting the turmeric into smaller pieces. Turmeric is so important because it has anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a natural anti-inflammatory properties. It will help to lessen pain and fight free radicals. So I'm going to also cut the ginger. Ginger is also loaded with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. So when I'm done cutting the 2 spices, I'm going to add it into the blender. I'll be making use of 2 lemons, which I've already washed. You can decide to peel the lemon or decide to juice to get the lemon juice. So I'm not going to peel the lemon, I'm going to cut it. So when I'm done cutting the lemon, I'm going to add it into the blender. So another ingredient I'll be using is orange. I've already washed the orange. You can decide to peel the orange, but I'm going to cut the orange into smaller pieces for easy blending. Orange is a citric fruit that is full of vitamins, minerals, and compounds that will help to prevent chronic diseases and also help to manage our body weight. Oranges are also high in potassium, and it has minerals that will help to regulate heartbeat and muscle functions. So when I'm done cutting the orange, I will add it to the blender. I also add black pepper. I just added a teaspoon of black pepper. Black pepper contains pepperine, which is a natural substance that will help to enhance the absorption of curcumin. So when I'm done adding, I'm going to blend. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to sieve to get the liquid. So after sieving, store in a container and put in the fridge. You can see how easy it is to make these citrus ginger shots that you can use to fight cold, flu, and it also helps to boost your immunity so that you can fight against cold and flu. And it is cost effective to make at home. And decide to freeze it with ice cube mold. And whenever you want to use, take 1 cube, add it into a cup of hot water and drink. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.